just watch the live feed on yours, make sure I'm coming through. Tēnā tātou e te iwi, nau mai, hoki mai ki te papatākoro whutupōro o Uawa mō tēnei kēmu. Te whiringa whaiti mō ngā karapu tāne, e prei ana i te kēmu whutupōro ki roto i te rohe o te tairāwhiti. Nei rā te mihi ki te kai tautoko mō tēnei whakapāho, rā ko te hauora o Aitanga Hauiti. Tēnei te mihi nunui kia koutou. Welcome to your men's semi-final whānau. Live coverage kindly brought to you by te hauora o te Aitanga a Hauiti, te whare hauora o te Aitanga a Hauiti. Big mihi to our sponsors. Today's live stream proudly supported by Hauiti Hauora. Community Action on Youth and Drugs, CAD, supporting healthy, strong and drug-free communities across the coast. Rugby is about teamwork, respect and making good decisions. Values proudly supported by Hauiti Hauora. Big mihi to our sponsors for kindly bringing you today's coverage. Just checking with my techies, make sure we're all coming through live and clear. What a game, the previous game, women's rugby on the coast. Uawa coming out on top in that one, 26 points to 25. Right down to the wire. It's what you wanted to see in the final. Congratulations to the Uawa Wahine. Their first time fielding a women's rugby team in 20 years, they tell me. Hosted their first final and managed to come out on top. Only 1 point in it, but a win's a win. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter how many points you win by in a final, as long as you win. Referee today is Mr. Matt Richards, I believe. He'll be supported by Sean Murtagh and Jason Babington. Can't thank our sponsors enough though. Hauiti Hauora jumping on board. We've got some messaging here from our sponsors. Rangatahi are always watching whānau. Lead by example on and off the field. And that's a message from Hauiti Hauora, CAD, Community Action Against Youth and Drugs. Or on youth and drugs, I should say. Awesome positive messages. I've been privileged at the radio to see a lot of old footage from back in the 80s and 90s, and I can tell you, there was no swearing on the sidelines back in those days. If it was, it wasn't picked up by our cameras. Great example set by our people back then. We've got a lot of East Coast games and club games on our Radio Ngāti Porou archives. And I tell you, it's amazing to listen to the crowd and hear all of the positive cheering. It's certainly a lot different to today. But we're here at Uawa and promoting positive messaging around the fields, positive cheering. Big mihi from our sponsors. You know, celebrate the game, support your mates. And if you're driving home today, make sure you got a sober driver or you do it sober. Hauiti Hauora CAD kindly reminds everybody, never drive impaired. Now, I only have the Uawa team to give you, and I only have their initials and their last names. Gee, these men's rugby, not as organised as the women. I'm going to try and guess some of their names though. I know a few. Uenoku Kohatu wearing number 1, Perrin Manuel wearing number 2. I think it's Isaac Roth wearing number 3, Scott Lazenby in number 5, M. Waikari wearing, Scott Lazenby wearing number 4. We've got M. Waikari wearing number 5, Jordan Birch wearing number 6. I think it's Tānira Tamanui Nepia wearing number 7. Orlando Manuel at the back. T. Westrip wearing number 9, Josh Dearden at number 10. We've got R. Morgan on the left wing, Jesse Rye at second 5, M. Wadu at centre. M. Allen out on the right wing. BJ Sydney wearing number 15 on the bench. Honor Engel, M. Carr, N. Fitzgerald, T. Nilsson, G Papuni, T Hale and T Welsh. Apologies, whānau, these are the team sheets that were given to us. Well, only one team sheet, I should say. Ruatoria City, holding their cards close. They wouldn't even give the commentator the team sheet. We'll get our scoreboard up there while we're waiting as City make their way out onto the park. Just about ready for kickoff here as the teams make their way out onto the Uawa domain. You can see the referees there, their big logo on the front of their chest, or is that their pukus? Give it a go or shush. Might have used to have been their chest and it slipped a bit. Our referees, we can't do without them, whānau. Just waiting on both teams to get out here, and again we will have a minute's silence acknowledging the passing of a staunch Ruatoria City supporter and Uawa supporter, Isabel Roberts, aka Dole. It was awesome to hear the banter at her Poroporoaki between the speakers from opposing clubs. But tonight, it's about men's semi-final rugby in the H Blackby men's rugby competition, Ngāti Porou East Coast men's rugby competition. And apologies, I still don't have a team sheet for this City team. I can just about guess it though. Looks like Len Lloyd, might be Maui Baker and Aorangi Stokes in the front row. I'll have to try and guess again. Tūtarangi wearing number 8. I think Nat Fox will be on the side of the scrum or in that lock. Jack Richards there as well. Oh, you've got Jody Tuhaka out there as well in the forwards. So front row I'm picking is Lloyd, Tuhaka and Baker. As Uawa about to get us underway here. First half of your H Blackby NPEC men's rugby semi-final. Referee says, let's get it on. High kick to Baker. He's taken in a solid hit there. Hangs on to the ball though, out to Stokes. Stokes takes the first hit up for City. 4 metres shy of their 10-metre line here. Ngātai gives it out the back to Reeves. Reeves puts a kick in. Up high here, Jesse Rye underneath it for Uawa. Rye steps up over the halfway, loses the ball forward though as City come up with it. Might be no advantage there on the loss forward. There's a high tackle in there though. Oh no, what's that? Off the feet, might be. Not keeping his feet. I thought there was a knock-on advantage in there. It was, says the referee, but the infringement after was worse, I think. Josh Dearden to look for touch here down there, clubroom side of the park. Safely into touch up towards the 22. Uawa will have an attacking line out early on in this first half. Rugby kindly brought to you, this men's semi-final kindly brought to you by Te Whare Hauoro o Te Aitanga Hauiti. They go high through their number 7. That's Nepia, Tanita Tamanui Nepia. Nice run there from Jordan Birch. They set it up in the midfield. Referee's got advantage here. No advantage. Offside against City. Right out in front of the post here. Opportunity at points early on for Uawa. Josh Dearden will step up here and signal for a shot at goal. It's not even 2 minutes here and first opportunity at points. And that's what it's about today. It's not about tries or penalties. It's about points. Who's got the most of them at the end of the game? Uawa, of course, should they win, they will host next week's final. Josh Dearden lining up the first opportunity at points here. Right on the 22, he steps back, he strikes it. Flags go up, Uawa will take the lead. 3 points to 0. Early penalty there to Josh Dearden. Ethan Reeves to get us back underway. Sends it high. It's going to come down on, it's going to go out on the full. We'll have a restart at the halfway. We'll get to see our first scrum of the game. First look at these forward packs. City look to have a weight advantage here. Mobility will be with the Uawa pack. First scrum of the game. All those front rowers, all those purists will be watching this, and it's gone to ground though. Referee will say, let's reset it. Front rower Uawa there. It says Kohatu, but he's not out there, Uenuku. Isaac Roth in the front row with Perrin Manuel. Referee calls them back together. Here we go, ball in. Big shunt here from City. They might have turned this over. It comes out the back here. There's a penalty here for City. Big scrum from City. I did say they look to have the advantage in the weight department. Opportunity here to gain some territory. Move on to attack as Ethan Reeves looks to put this into touch. Sends it up towards the 22. Line out coming about 5 metres outside Uawa's 22 on their clubroom side of the park here at the Uawa Domain. Watching City. It's a short line out. There's only a few of them walking in. Short line out called by City. Watch for Richardson at the back. No, they go up to Atkins. It's been lost forward though. Uawa will come up with it. Little knock on and the referee says no advantage. Mistake there by City. Gives the ball to Uawa. They're about 5-6 metres outside their 22 here. Big noticeable absence in the Uawa team is Mr. Sammy Parks today. No doubt he's watching from somewhere. Halfback here, Westrip about to feed the scrum. City had the acid the last one. They put the shunt on again. It pops out the back again. Play on, says the referee, is Dearden. Puts it down the sideline. Kicks it straight to Ethan Dawati. Dawati stepping back up the middle of the park. Sets it up on the halfway. It's there for Ngatai. He goes out to, they get the pass away. They're still working it here, City. Little forward pass in there though as Axton looked to offload it to Stokes. A few early mistakes here from the City team. No doubt their coach will be wanting them to knock those on the head. Scrum down, 5 metres inside Uawa territory, about 15 in from that clubroom side of the park here. Big mihi to all of our listeners tuned in via the airwaves as well as our viewers. Second leg of the double here in Tolaga Bay. Double header. Ball in. Again, City put the pressure on. There's another penalty coming. They've definitely got the upper hand at scrum time early on in this game. Big weight there. And it's not Perrin Manuel out. Oh yes, it is. Perrin is out there. Reeves pokes it down the sideline. Into the 22 goes City. Another line-out opportunity where they gave the pill away at the last line-out. Gee, those clear skies that were here for the women's game have disappeared on us. A bit of overcast conditions here. The sun hiding behind the clouds. Starting to get makariri. They look to the middle to Axton. He goes high, taps it down. Ngatai gets it on the bounce. Out now to Reeves. Reeves gives it up to Tuturangi. He drives it forward. It's there again. This time it's Axton. Axton going for a drive. 15 out in front of the post. There's another player on the paddock here for Uawa. He's a four-legged one. He's running around trying to tackle City players. They set it up about 10 out from the line. They come back infield. It's been knocked on though. I don't think Lloyd was expecting that. Somebody claims the dog back on the sideline. Put him back in the subbing box. Oh, poor dog. He's just out playing. He's getting, oh, that's not a good move. Don't dump the dog. Poor dog. He shouldn't have brought it to the game. The dog's just doing what a dog does. Wanting to play. Oh, poor dog. Defensive scrum here for Uawa. They're right out in front of their post, about 15 metres. Westrip, he'll be wanting to get this out quickly. There's the asset again. Shunned here. The referee's got advantage, though, against Uawa at scrum time as they break down the blind side to Jordan. Jordan Birch, I should say. Referee still playing advantage. Might be another one. High tackle, I think. Lazenby winding up from deep. Out it comes now to Birch again. It's still there for Uawa, just outside their 22. Just as Dearden says, let's get out of here, referee says no advantage. They'll go back for a high shot. Aroha mai whānau. City give away a penalty there and Uawa kick for touch. It'll be a Uawa line out here. They're about 5 metres outside the 10-metre line. They go high. It's tapped down. Dearden lets it bounce. It bounces kindly for Birch out in the backs. Birch. Might have been another high shot there. High tackles. There's a couple of penalties there against City for high tackles. They'll want to sort that out. The referee probably won't take much more of it. Just slides off the side of the boot there, but safely into touch for Dearden. Just inside his 10-metre by about a metre. Cross on their clubroom side of the park here. They call another short line out. They go high. It's lost forward though by the Uawa player. It'll be a Ruatoria City scrum, 9 metres inside Uawa territory. They're about 15 metres in from that sideline now for the scrum. 3-0 if you've just joined us. Early penalty to Josh Dearden. Put his team in the front. Referee calls them in. Ngatai to feed the scrum. It's there for Ngatai. Pulls it out to Reeves. Reeves out wide to Pewhairangi. Gives it out to Rawari. Rawari around the outside. He's got Casey Wilson with him. Wilson down the sideline. Just gets taken over the sideline. Some good cover defence there by Waru. City show that they can go wide though. Leith and Rawari there just stepping around the outside. The defence coming across from Uawa to save the day on that one. They look to the middle. It's not taken, though. It's come down for Axton. Out now to Reeves. Reeves gives it to Fox. Fox, big tackle on him. Might have been lost forward. It was. BJ Sydney looking to clear this. He'll take play right up to the halfway. Little knock on there from City, and Ua were able to scramble and clear it. Beautiful kick. Takes play about 3 or 4 meters into City territory from his 22. City call a short line out. They drop a few players out to the back. Taken cleanly by Richardson. They drive him over the sideline. Referee's got a penalty though against Uawa. Just couldn't pick up the infringement there. Extra, it's touchy. What was that one for, Jay? Early lift, I think. Beautiful touch finder there from Reeves. He takes play from his own half right into the 22. Puts his team in an attacking position about 15 out from the corner flag on that clubroom side of the park. They go high. It's gone right over the top of the scrum here. Kick through by Ngata. It'll go dead, will it? We'll have a 22 dropout. Restart. Uawa, 22 restart coming. They take the restart. There's a high shot there on, I think that was Lloyd. City get a penalty here, 15 metres inside Uawa territory. Captain Narimu there having a talk to the referee. Both teams are guilty of giving away safely into touch. Another beautiful kick there from Ethan Reeves. Right on the corner flag. He'll give his team an attacking line out 5 metres out from the corner. City move into an attacking position. Short line out called here. Is it? No, they're all coming in. Len Lloyd there limping in slowly. They go to the front. It's taken down there at the front of the line out. City getting the drive on here. Uawa pushing them backwards though. They spin it out. They break it out to Reeves. Out now to Pewhairangi. Pewhairangi, long pass out to Rawiri. Rawiri, one-on-one. Has to go around the outside. Waru gets up on him. Oh, there was no arms there. There's a card coming. There was no arms in that tackle from, I think it was the winger. Allen, or maybe the left wing. Morgan, I think. Rawiri feeling the effects of that one. Didn't look like any arms in it from the second tackler. Hence the referee blowing the whistle straight away. I've got Lloyd down in back play, so the referee has stopped time here. About 16 minutes gone in this first half. Kindly brought to you by Te Whare Hauora o Te Aitanga Hauiti. If you need support, want to know more about alcohol or other drug education, have a kōrero with the team at Hauiti Hauora KAD. The team at Hauiti Hauora there to help. The city just having a little discussion here about what's going to happen. I think they're going to go for the line out. Reeves. There's a discussion going on here with the captain and the referee. Not sure what this is about. Your guess is as good as mine. Referee is going to restart with the penalty though. Time back on. Safely into touch. Another attacking line out here for City. 5 metres out from the Uawa corner flag. This time on the near side of the park. Tuhaka with the line out duties. They look for Richardson in the middle. He pulls it down. They set up the drive here. City got it rocking forward here. Couple of metres out. Can they get it down? What's the referee say? There's the first try for Ruatoria City. First points on the board. They take the lead. 5 points to 3 with the conversion to come. We'll take a look at the replay here. I think. Oh, our replay settings are playing up on us. There we go. I'll turn them back on. I'm not sure if the replay will catch it. I'll turn them back on. It's not going to catch it. Conversion to come from Fox. 5 points to 3. He's about 10 metres in from this near side of touch, just outside the 22. You get a look right down the barrel of our camera. City take the lead after 17 minutes. Fox. We were watching him in the warm-ups. He didn't look like missing in the warm-ups. He's continued that form to push his team's lead out to 7 points to 3. We were watching him in the warm-ups and saying to ourselves that you won't want to be giving away a penalty within 40 metres of your post. Certainly got the distance and definitely got the range. Dearden gets us back underway here. Spiral, drop kick there, it bounces high. Baker takes it to ground though. Narimu picks it up straight away, takes it to ground just outside his 10-metre line. Out it goes to Axton. Axton with a good drive. Nice tackle around the legs though. Quick ball from Ngatai. He gets it out to Reeves. Reeves puts a little kick in. Looking for space here. Beautiful wipers kick. Takes play right across the field. Uawa would backtrack towards their 22 for a defensive line out here. As a forward, that's probably what you want when you look up and you can see the ball is in front of you. Len Lloyd there, he's definitely carrying an injury. Axton gets up high, but it's down on the Uawa side, out to Birch. Birch with a good run up the middle. Nice run there from Jordan Birch. Quick ball from Westrip. They drive it forward. What's the referee say? Good tackle there. Comes out now to Dearden. He's going to say, let's get out of here. He puts it high. They let it bounce though. Ratahi back there. He gives it to Rawari, who looks for touch. And a huge touch finder there. Takes play right up towards over the halfway. And it's been touched by Uawa. It'll be a Ruatoria City line-out throw, about 8 metres inside Uawa territory. Another short line-out coming here for City. You can see them coming in. There's only a few of them. They drop a few out into the back line. They go high to Richardson. He pulls it down. Jack Richardson going for a run. Straightens up now. They're over the top there. Referee's got a penalty though. Jumper there on the arm of the opposition, hanging on to the jumper. This will allow City to go deep again into the Uawa red zone. Reeves, not as good as this last kick, but into the 22 goes City. Couple of metres inside Uawa 22. Just watching the numbers here. Another short line out called by City. Couple of forwards standing out in the back line. They go front. Ngarimu takes it down. Back to Ngatai. Out now to Reeves. Reeves looking for runners. He's got Fox at second receiver. Fox straightens up. Driving at the 22 in the middle of the park. It's there for Ngatai. Out now to Ngarimu again. Big hit on him by Lazenby. It's come out for Ngatai. Penalty here. Which way is the penalty going? The ref's blown a penalty. There's a couple of them, I think, options here for City. I think this is right in Nat Fox's kicking territory. We were watching him practice before the kickoff. And although he wasn't practicing from that distance, he was back another 20 metres. Len Lloyd just trying to hang in there. Looks like it's a hammy. They don't get better. If you've pulled your hammy, you're probably better to get off and put a player on that hasn't. Fox lining this one up. 22 minutes gone in this first half. Kindly brought to you by Te Whare Hauora o Te Aitanga Hauiti. As Fox doesn't muck around, extends his team's lead out to 10 points to 3. City. After that penalty there to Nat Fox. 7-point lead. As Dearden gets us back underway again. Ngatai takes it. Ngatai runs it up the middle himself. Good run there from the little halfback. Aorangi Stokes playing halfback. Gets it out now to Wilson. Wilson stepping back infield. Gets over the top of one of his opposition. City, though, give away a penalty coming in from the side. Incorrect entry is the call. Penalty here to Uawa, a couple of metres inside their own half here. Dearden will look for touch down this near sideline. Safely into touch. Roughly midway between City's 10 metre and 22. Short line out called by Uawa. No ball here. Can't play without a ball. All the crowd watching, nobody went to get the ball. Perrin Manuel with the line out throwing duties for Uawa. Uawa attacking line out. They look to the front. Been stolen there by Jack Richardson though. Trick play, didn't come off. Out now to Ngarimu. Ngarimu gets the pass backwards out to Reeves. It goes wide to Pewhairangi. Out to Rawari. Rawari steps back infield. Pewhairangi takes it off him. Referee's got a little knock on in there, I think. Penalty scrum feed here to Uawa. This scrum, again, midway 10 metre 22 inside City territory. You can see the Uawa back line. They'll line up with a huge space out here towards the near side. Plenty of space here. Of course, they have to get the ball out of the scrum first. It's a better scrum there from Uawa. It pops out. Westrip gets it out to Dearden. Dearden on the cut now with Rye. Rye, nice run there from Jesse Rye. Takes it into the 22. Pick and go here by Tānira Tamanui Nepia. Out it comes quickly. That's Lazenby. No, that's not Lazenby. That must be Waikari. Numbers here out wide. They go again. Number 7 is Tānira Tamanui Nepia. Another good run. Advantage here from referee Richards. No advantage. Penalty here to Uawa. Offside is the call. Right out in front of the post. Kickable penalty here for Dearden. Shot called. Opportunity here to peg a bit of the lead back. 10-7 at the moment. It'll be 10-6 should the kick be successful. Sinbin player back on the park. Uwawa, it's been down to 14. About 15 minutes left in this first half, give or take a couple of minutes. Referee sole judge of time, of course. Dearden, he doesn't muck around either. Increases their score by 3. 10-6. City lead. After 27 minutes in this first half, kindly brought to you by Te Whare Hauora o Te Aitanga Hauati. Big mihi to our sponsors. We've been missing in action. Our sponsors have got us back today. Finals rugby, second leg of the double header here in Uawa. As Reeves gets us underway again. High kick, Birch calls for it. No, that's, BJ Sydney. Sydney brings it back towards the 10-metre line. Good run there from the fullback. Westrip plucks it out, gives it up to one of his forwards. I think that's Roth. Inching towards the 10-metre line here inside Uawa territory. There's a penalty here against City. Player, they go again down their far side. Little chip kick, grubber kick here through from, referee says no advantage. They'll go back for the penalty. Penalty here about 11 metres inside Uawa territory, just outside their 10-metre line. The Dearden will look to push this into touch. 20-0 to Tokararangi in the other game. The other semi-final happening up at Wharekahika. I just got an update on the score. 20-0 to Tokararangi. Over Waima. Knocked down on the Uawa side, knocked backwards. Westrip having to race back to tidy this up. Lost forward though. Uawa will give the pill away. Update from that Waima game, 20-0 to Tokararangi. Here, 10-6 to City. Finals rugby, semi-finals rugby, to see who goes to the big kanikani next week. Ngātai to feed the scrum. Big 8 there from City. Axton breaks blind to Ngātai. Ngātai has a dummy, nearly gets through, gets up to the halfway. City over the top of it. They need a halfback. Ngārimu gives it up to Stokes. Stokes charges forward into Uawa territory. It's there again. They need a halfback again. They go blind out to Axton. Quick ball out to Rawiri. He steps back infield. That looked high. Referee will agree with us, I think. Oh no, not rolling away, that one. There's been some borderline tackles. They might look high from where we are, but the referee's in a different position to us, so you got to trust his calls. That slogan on the referee's jumper says, give it a go or shoosh. Attacking line now coming here for City, right on the Uawa 22. Cross on their clubroom side of the park. Back line right out to this near side. Short line out called. 5-man line out. Watch for Richardson. Plucks it down to Ngātai. Out now to Reeves. Reeves out wide to Pewhairangi. Out wider to Rawiri. Rawiri's got Wilson with him. Wilson has to reach for that one. Wilson straightens up. The ball stays infield though. Rawiri back infield to Richardson. Richardson, nice tackle on him by BJ Sydney there in the corner. It's there for out to Axton. Out to Rawiri. Long pass out to Reeves. Reeves stepping back infield. Steps again. Nice work there by Reeves. Sets it up out in front of the post. They come back infield to Axton. 10 out from the line in front of the post. Penalty given away though. Little bit of isolation there. No, player off their feet, says the referee. Arriving player off their feet. This will allow Dearden to look for touch. There's a bit of a crosswind here. Definitely a sea breeze. Nice kick there, Dearden. Able to make advantage of the, take advantage of that wind. It's blowing over our shoulder straight across towards the club rims. Sea breeze. It'll be a Nuawa line out. 8 metres inside the halfway. It's tapped down on the City side. City set up the ruck here. It's knocked forward. Lost forward, says the referee. Back to Reeves. Reeves looks to pin it down the sideline. It's been touched here by a Uawa player. It's been lost over the sideline here. Might have been knocked forward too. No, says the referee, just knocked out. Again, City will get a line out here on the 22. Clubroom side of the park. I must give props to Len Lloyd. He's done well hanging in here with a bung hammy. Up to Richardson again. Richardson hangs on to it, drives it forward. They set up the ruck here. Ngatai digging in for the ball. Out now to Reeves. Reeves, long pass to Peparangi. He goes back to Rawati, who wasn't expecting it. Rawati winds up down the sideline, steps back infield. Back to Richardson. City 10 out from the corner flag. Penalty here to City. Offside is the call. Offside at the line out. Kickable penalty here for Nat Fox. It's almost in front of the post here. The tee is coming on. As I said, it's not about scoring tries. It's about who's got most points at the end of the game. Oh, they turn it down. They tap and go quickly. Ngarimu. Ngarimu takes it forward. I don't think they'd called for the shot. Was the call out? They go now to Axton. City. Pick and go here. There's a penalty though. Player on his feet with the rights to the ball. A little bit of isolation there by the City player, and Uawa swoop on it. Dearden again down that sideline. Takes play up towards the 10-metre line, Uawa territory. All the play across on their far side of the field, the clubroom side of the park so far. It does get exciting when it comes down this near side though. Short line out called by Uawa again. They go high. That doesn't look straight, but play on. Yes, it does. It came right at the end there. Out now to Birch. Birch gives it up to Waru. Waru rolling. Referees was playing advantage from the line out. Infringement at the line out. Dearden again bangs it down that sideline, gaining some meters for his team. They go back into City territory. 5 metres, 6 metres inside City territory, right in front of the changing rooms here. Len Lloyd, he's struggling. Hanging in there though. Uawa, go to the back. It's come right into the hands of Ngatai. He puts a chip through. It chases on here. Ngatai and the right winger. The right winger, oh, he loses it forward. There'll be a scrum here to Uawa. To City, will it? Lost forward. Knock on here. Looked like the winger there had it covered. That was Mr. Allen. Just a little knock on there. City move on to attack again. City using their main weapon, which is their big forward pack. They do have some lethal backs though. They've got Leith and Rawadi out wide. Api Piff in the mix. Ethan Reeves. Casey Wilson. Scrum goes down, referee will reset this. Working down towards half time, about 4 minutes to go. Big mihi to our sponsors, Te Whare Hauoro, Te Aitanga Hauiti, kindly connecting you to this game. Remind us not to drive impaired. Got a funny feeling our boys in blue will be out on the roads today. It's there at the back of the scrum. City just working it forward here. Axton, it's come right out. The referee's got a penalty though. Against Uawa. City, will they look for the line out here or will they tap and go? Ngātai has the ball. Another scrum. What's the call? Scrum called. City realising they've definitely got the upper hand at scrum time early on in this first half, or most of the first half I should say. Ngātai to feed the scrum. He's about 10 out from the line. 5 metres in from the sideline. Ball in. City keep it at the back. Ngātai plucks it out to Reeves. Reeves looking on the wrap here. Pewhairangi takes the dummy and goes himself. Sets it up, 5 out from the line. Fox wants it. They come out to Stokes instead. Stokes twisting and turning. Short. It's there again for Axton. Axton out to Richardson. Richardson, can he get it down? Shepherd in there, says the referee. Obstruction. Sydney goes quickly. Sydney looking to catch them offside. BJ Sydney up towards the halfway. Might have been knocked down. There's a card coming. Deliberate knockdown there. City are going to lose a player. 2 minutes to half time. Sonny James, Ātahi Brown, looking for the intercept, has given away a penalty and been sin bin for 10 minutes. Uawa will look for touch again here. They move into City territory again. Again, 5 metres inside City territory, right in front of the club rooms. We've got another line out. Uawa, look to the, it's gone right over the top here. Play on, says the referee, as Uawa come up with it. Good run here. What's the ref say? This advantage. Not rolling away, I think. Little chip through here. Rawari back there. He'll tidy this up. Referee will say no advantage there. He'll go back for the penalty. Where's the penalty mark for this one? Right out in the middle of the field here. Shot at goal coming for Dearden. He'll look to bring his team 1 point shy of the lead. Or did they go for a line out? What's the call? Shot call. As we approach half time, will have a penalty attempt here. He's out on the 22, just to the right of the post as we look at it. Dearden, who have been under the pump for most of this half, but they've managed to claw their way back to the scoreboard to be 1 point shy if he can put this over the black dot. Dearden, successful there. 10 points to 9. With time up on our clock, referee sole judge of time though. It'll be Ethan Reeves to get us back underway again. I'd say we must be in injury time or close to full time. Reeves kicking off towards that clubroom side of the park. It's high, coming down with snow on it. It's been lost forward though by Uawa. City turn it over here. Stokes wants it. Stokes throws the dummy. Drives it forward, does Aorangi Stokes. He sets it up in the midfield. Referee's playing advantage. I think they go blind again to Fox. It's still there for City. Ngatai out to Reeves. Reeves throws the dummy, steps up the middle. Ethan Reeves still stepping. Takes it down by the 22. Ngatai comes out now to Tuhaka, out to Pewhairangi. Pewhairangi with a little chip over the top. Would have gone too far, I think. BJ Sydney. Quick tap off the mark, looking for support. He's got Roth with him. Roth hitting a big tackle in the middle of the park. Does well to twist and turn. Westrip back to Dearden. Dearden sends it high again. They let it bounce. Richardson steps back infield. Richardson gets the pass away to Lloyd. High shot there against Lloyd, I think is the call. You can see the touch he was signalling to the ref as it comes back to Pewhairangi. Pewhairangi goes for a run. Pewhairangi still running. Looking for support. He gets White with him. I think we're still playing advantage here. No, advantage over. Incorrect entry. We thought they might have been playing advantage, but he said advantage over. Uawa, go quickly. Tanira, Tamanui Nepia, having a run around the outside. Gets the pass away, but it's gone forward. Must be almost half-time. There it is, half-time here at the Uawa Domain. The score, City lead, 10 points to 9. Coverage kindly brought to you by Te Whare Hauora o Te Aitanga Hauiti. We're going to take a bit of a break and we'll be back with your second half. Oh no, it wasn't 20-0, it was 18-0. It's 18-5 at half time. No, it wasn't 20-0, it was 18-0. It's now 18-5. You want my break? Point in at half time. City's got the upper hand in the ball. Hey, Nick. Good game, mate. Yeah, Roger. He's been good. He's happy everything. Yeah. Oh, me, my baby. Oh, indeed. Yeah. We're in the Mokos. Everybody over there. Oh, John Marcus. Here we go. No mai hoki mai e te iwi. Welcome back to the Tolaga Bay Domain for this 2026 NPEC Heke Blackby men's rugby semi-final between Uawa and Ruatoria CITY. Ruatoria CITY with a 1-point lead, 10 points to 9. And I have a correction for the updated score from Wharekahika. It wasn't 20-0, it was 18-0. The halftime score, 18-5 at Wharekahika. Tokorarangi lead Waima. Ethan Reeves, looks like he's feeling a bit of a hammy as well. He's been a solid player for City in that first half. Be ashamed to see him not continue when it doesn't look good. That definitely looks like a hammy. You feel for these boys right at the end of the season and they're having hamstring issues. Or was that a groin? They're going to work on them anyway. Great game of rugby here in this men's semi-final. Officials are right on top of everything. Excuse me. Not far away from kickoff in the second half here. Coverage kindly brought to you by Te Whare Hauora o Te Aitanga Hauati. Messages from our sponsor. If you need support or want to know more about alcohol or other drug education, have a kōrero with the team at Hauati Hauora KAD. They're there to help. And just reminding people that use positive reinforcement on the sidelines, because our rangatahi are always watching. It's our whānau, get our whānau to lead by example on and off the field. Positive messages from the Hauati Hauora KAD team. Can't thank them enough for connecting our iwi to some exciting rugby. 40 minutes of rugby left for one of these teams. One of them will get to fight on in the big dance next week. 1 point in it. Who wants it? We said that in the final of the women's game. Teamwork will do it. Rugby's about teamwork, respect, making good decisions, values proudly supported by Hauati Hauora KAD team. 40 minutes of semi-final rugby, about to get it on. We'll just make sure our...
Who's winning that other one?
Toka. 18-5. Referee about to get us underway. One of the touchies there interested in the score at the top end. 40 minutes of rugby left for one of these teams. A shot at the big dance for the winner. Just waiting for the referee to signal time on here.
All up.
Try and keep an eye on any substitutions for you. Referee says time on. High kick in the middle of the park. Manuel takes it, he gets Ngārimu at the same time. Tānira Tamanui Nepia with another strong run. Up over his 10-metre line. Quick ball out to Roth at first receiver. It's there again for Westrip. He gives it, oh, it's gone backwards here. They hang on to it though. Comes out to Sydney in a bit of a gap. BJ Sydney in a bit of a gap over the halfway. He slips. Goes back infield, gets the pass away to Waru. Midway 10-metre 22 inside City territory. Quick ball from Dearden. It bounces kindly for Nepia. Oh, he loses it forward. Looked like he was going to pick it up on the bounce. It was building for Uawa there. Little knock on in there will give City the pill. And Ethan Reeves unfortunately can't continue. Substitutions coming here. That's our man Adam Beretta, former owner of the Ruatoria supermarket. Been playing for City. He's come back again to play in the semis. Ngātai will drop out to second 5. Pewhairangi to come infield to first receiver. Ball in. Beretta's first touch of the ball. He feeds the scrum. Out and out at Rawiri. Rawiri puts it end over end down the sideline into touch. Takes play up towards the Uawa 10-metre line. It'll be a Uawa line-out throw though. Full line out called here. No. Uawa dropped the player out into the back line. Stolen by Richardson. Little chip over the top here. It's been lost forward though. As Uawa come up with it. Out. Referee's got a penalty. Watch the quick tap. Uawa looking to go quickly. Dearden puts a kick in. He might have sent this too far on the full. No, it bounces out, does it? Gets a good bounce. City line out throw though. Dearden pushes them back into their 22. Quick tap and a chip over the top. Gets a good bounce. Referee just stopping play here. Not sure what that was for. Defensive line out for City. They call a short line out. Richardson goes high at the front. Back to Beretta to Rawiri. He has to throw the dummy. Puts the kick in. Safely into touch up towards roughly midway 10-metre 22 inside City territory. Uawa will swing on to attack here. An attacking line out. Short line out again. They go high. It's not straight, was it? Play on, says the referee. Birch with a good run up the middle. Takes it down just outside the 22. They come infield again to Tamanui Nepia. Pushes off one. Standing in the tackle. Gets the pass away. Again, another pass away. That's Waikari with the ball. Oh, Scotty. Might have been knocked on here. Referee's got an advantage here to City. Well, it looked like an advantage to City, but there's a penalty to Uawa. This is a penalty in a kickable position. Chance to take the lead back here. Josh Dearden will come in for a shot at goal. No, they're going to tap and go. This is strange. It's a penalty. They tap and go. Looking for a quick play here. Nepia goes to ground. Waru, out now to Dearden. Oh, sorry, that's Sydney. Sydney going for a run. Gets held up. Goes to ground now. It's there. No advantage. What's the call? Penalty here against City right in front of the post here. Offside is the call. Uawa will take a shot here, surely. Give them the lead. Dearden signals just that. I was wondering why they ran it the last one. Right out in front of the post here, chance to take the lead back. They haven't had the lead since the early stages of the first half. Should be no mistakes about it with this kick for Josh Dearden. Bread and butter. It's only about 10 metres in front of the post. Comes in, he strikes. Uawa back into the front. 12 points to 10. No further score update from the top end. City back to 15 players now as Sonny James Ratahi Brown comes on. Rawiri about to get us back underway again.
Chase, money.
High kick in the centre of the park. Manuel does well to take that with the pressure on him. It's there for Westrip, out to Dearden. Dearden sends it wide out to, that's Rye, out wide to the winger. Little bit of space here. Up towards the halfway. Penalty here to City. Who was that player on his feet with the rights to the ball? I think that was Taya White, was it? City with a penalty here. This will allow them to go into an attacking position. Just outside the 22. That wind is definitely picking up. You can see it on the touchy's flag there. Crosswind, sea breeze. City walk into the line out, short line out coming. Jack Richardson has been the money ball. They go to the front again. No, to the middle to Axton. Down to Beretta. Out now to Pewhairangi. Out to Narimu. Narimu takes it into contact. Drives up towards the 22. Beretta looking for the ball. Goes open again. Pewhairangi. Long pass out to Wilson. Wilson does well to hang on to that. Taken about 5-10 out from the line. Beretta. They're all over him. Little knock on in there, says the referee, as Ua will turn it over. Out now, it's gone backwards. Referee will say no advantage. And I suppose that's not an advantage for Uoa when they have to have a scrum. Defensive scrum feed here in that far corner. They're about 15 out from the corner flag. Expect City to try and put the acid on here at scrum time. Defensive scrum feed. That wind is definitely pushing into their corner, favouring City. Ball in. Big, oh, referee's got a penalty. Offside against City. Inside the 5 metre, I think. Dearden will look for touch here. Puts it safely into touch, just right on the 10 metre line. Still inside Uoa territory. Subs coming, Peter Bishop. Veteran for City, replacing Len Lloyd, who's done well to hang on till he has. Uoa looking for the back. Referee's got a free kick here to Uoa though. Nepia goes for a run. Waru comes back out to Manuel. Manuel looking for runners, gives it to Dearden. Dearden to Waru. Quick ball out the other way to Lazenby. Lazenby up over the 10 metre line. Spins out of a couple, drags the ball with him. Quick ball out to Dearden. Numbers building here for Uoa. There's a lot of low numbers out there though. Counter ruck from City. Oh, there's another penalty in there. Not rolling away is the call against the tackler. You'd think they'd take a shot from here in the semi-final. No, Dearden sends it into the corner. Semi-final rugby, points on the board. Uoa, they want a 5-pointer. Short line out called again. It's been a good battle in the line outs here as they go high to Nepia. What's that? Another free kick against City here. Manuel goes quickly. Pushes off Pewhairangi. Comes back at him though. It's there for Uoa. They drive off the base of the ruck and they get it down. Held up in goal, I think will be the call. Line dropout. City are able to hang on there. They get the line dropout. Rawiri with the drop kick. They send it high and deep. It's taken back there by Manuel. Good run there from the number 8, young number 8. It's there for Westrup again. Out now to Lazenby. Quick ball again to Dearden. They send it out wide to Sydney. Sydney, they're up quickly on him though. It's still there for, no. Penalty given away against City there. Kickable penalty here. Ooh, we're turning down the points here. They want to go for the sideline. They're going to tap and go, sorry. Roth wants it. Back they go to Napier. Napier gets the ball away to Waru. Beautiful offload there. It's oh, what a chop tackle there from City. They look to have turned this over to Stokes. Another penalty against City. What's the ref say here? The tap was taken quickly. Another penalty, not 10. Penalty count starting to load up against City here. Another tap coming. Napier wants it. He's just short. It's there for Uo again. They drive to the blind. Another pick and go. Trying to get it down. Oh, there's a obstruction there by Uo. They give away a penalty. City will get to get out of their red zone. Defence holds there. That was a good attack there from Uowa. Looked like they were going to go in the corner. Little bit of obstruction. I think they ducked behind their own player. Substitution coming here for Uowa. I think that's Roth. No, that's what says Lazenby, but might be Waikari that's gone off. Axton down to Beretta. Sends it wide out to Fox. Fox takes it out to the 22. It's there for Beretta again. Goes out to Rawari. Rawari looking for touch here. Over the top of the opposition. It stays in though. Allen bringing it back. Out to Sydney. Sydney stepping back upfield. It's still there. Waru digging in for the ball. Out now to the new man on the park. That's Fitzgerald. Quick ball again from Westrup. Out to Dearden. Quick, down the sideline goes one of the Uoa players. Midway 10 metre 22 inside City territory. They come open again. Jesse Rye with a strong run. Been lost forward though. City come up with the ball. Beretta wants it. Gives it back to Rawari. It's been charged down. No advantage, says the referee. Heart attack there for City. There's a bit of pushing and shoving going on. Bit of whakapapa, kōrero whakapapa in there. I think they're closely related and he's just catching up and saying, "Hi, cousin. Hi, cousin." Gotta love those kōrero whakapapa that go on in the middle of the park. Save it for after. City, they'll have a defensive scrum feed here. Captain having a talk to the referee. Both captains. I think they need to settle their teams down, let the refs do their job. Can understand players getting frustrated, but they need to rein in the old waha. The old referee will take none of it. Midway City's 10 metre, between their 10 metre and 22. Defensive scrum feed. Again, big scrum here from City. Beretta plucks it out to Pewhairangi. Big wipers kick here coming from Pewhairangi, but no advantage. They'll go back for the penalty. Bro, 2 balls on the paddock. Sean, 2 balls on the paddock. They kick it forward there from City. They take play into Uawa's territory, about 5 metres. Line out coming for City. Short line out. They go to Axton at the back, down to Beretta, out now to Pewhairangi, up to Ngārimu. Big contact in the midfield there. Beretta goes to the far side again. Pewhairangi out to Rawiri. Rawiri scoots around, puts a little rubber in. Sydney back there. Sydney finds touch. It'll be a City attacking line out though. Nice defensive work there by BJ Sydney. Covering that backfield of Uawa. Managed to get the ball into touch. Just outside the 22 though, about 5 metres. City with another line out here. They go to Richardson in the front. Do they? No. They go to Axton in the middle. No, it's tapped down on the Uawa side. Westrip back. Manuel has to tidy up, is it? City over the ball, trying to get the penalty here. It's been turned over. It has. Axton in there, steals it. Beretta goes for a little dab. Another penalty against City though. Not releasing the ball is the call. Penalty here to Uawa, relieving penalty. Still 12-10 if you've just joined us on Te Reo Irirangi o Ngāti Porou. Line out here for Uawa, just outside their 10-metre line. Short line out called. Short line out called. They go high. It's come down on the City side though. Out now to Bishop. Bishop straightens up. It's there for City. Beretta having a look at his options. Out now to Richardson. Richardson takes it into contact, sets it up. Fox wants it. Fox beats the first tackle, drags it closer to the 22. Penalty here to City. Right out in front of the post here. And that Fox range, what do they say? Update from the top end. 20 points to 17. Or was it 18? Yeah. Just looking at that score, they had 18 points before. My updates are a bit wrong. Nat Fox here lining up a shot 35 metres out, right in front of the post. An opportunity here to push his team back in the lead. Just tying up his laces here. He'll have to be wary of the shot clock. He doesn't muck around though. There's Fox a couple of steps back and then he comes in. That's high. Is it gonna drift around? No, it stays wide. Be a 22 restart here. Dearden brings it back for the restart. Sends it deep. Rawiri underneath this, back by his 10-metre line. Has a look at his options. Gives it to Aorangi Stokes. He sends it up the middle. It's there for Beretta. Out now to Axton. Axton drives it forward. City come back to Ngārimu. Oh, they lose it. Double knock on though. It'll be a 20 points to 17, took a lead. Up the top end. Waima have come back. Uawa get a scrum feed here though, 5 metres their own side of halfway. Substitutions coming. Not yet. Referee calls them in. Big scrum here from City. It's at the back for Uawa though. Looked like a hand in the scrum, but play on. It's there for Westrip. Out now to the new man on the park, Fitzgerald. Uawa up to the City 10-metre line. It's there for Westrip again. Out now to Dearden. Dearden, long pass out to Manuel in the middle of the park. Manuel going for a run. Oh, and they pass it over the sideline. It'll be a City line out just outside their 10-metre line. They go quickly. No, ball was touched, says the referee. We'll have that again. Substitution coming for City though. Looks like a back substitution. White being substituted. No, Sonny James being substituted. Short line out called by City. They go to the back again. Axton, it's gone over the top. I think that's offside against Uawa. Backs up inside the 10. That's what the touchies are for. Rawiri will look for touch here. Down this near side of the park. Sends it safely into touch up by the Uawa 10-metre line. Right on the 10-metre line, says the referee. Waimar take the lead, 22-20 at the top end. What a game, semi-final rugby. They go high to Axton again. Out now to Pewhairangi, looking for runners. He's got Narimu. Narimu takes it into contact. Beretta looking for the ball again. Out now to Axton. Little knock on, says the referee. Update from the top end, 22-20. Waimar have the lead. Well, it's all about here at the moment. Uawa with a 2-point lead over Ruatoria City. Scrum feed here. Big shunt here, but it's at the back. No, there's a penalty. They tap and go. Looking off the mark, says the referee. Dearden will slow it down and look for touch. Dearden look for touch on that far side. He sends it safely into touch just outside the City 10-metre line. Uawa line out throw. Again, short line out called by Uawa. They go high. They tap and go quickly. Birch, Jordan Birch with a big contact. Tutarangi Narimu over the top of the ball with the rights to the pill when the referee awards them. City penalty. There's about 15 minutes to go in the second half. Kindly brought to you by Te Whare Hauoro o Te Aitanga Hauati. What an exciting game. Semi-final rugby. It's what you want to see. I think that free kick before against City was players leaving the line out. Substitutions coming for City. They bring on some more big forward power in the form of Jaden and JB, Luia Pukia and John Brown. They look for Richardson in the front. Safely back to Beretta. Out now to Pewhairangi. Out to Fox. Fox beats the first tackle. Sets it up though. Beretta having a look at his options. Goes back to JB with his first touch of the game. Big contact there. It comes back out to Fox. Offside here, says the referee, or advantage to City. Another shot at goal coming. Definitely in the range. Here comes the tee. An update from the top end. 25-22 to Tuka. The lead changes hands up the top end again. Looks like a great game up there in Whanakahiga. Nat Fox with a penalty attempt here to try and put his team back in the lead. Just over 10 minutes to go. Referee will be sole judge of time here. Fox, though, with another 35-metre penalty attempt. This time to the right of the post. He steps in. It's got the height. Has it got the distance? Under the post there. Oh, what's the play? Play on, Sydney. Out now. They run it out of their 22 here, does Uawa. City won't want to give away a penalty. Back to Sydney. Sydney looking for touch here. Safely into touch. Good exit there from Uawa. That pill must have just dropped under the crossbar. 12-10. City line out here though, attacking line out. Four-man line out. They go to Axton again. It's been tapped down on the City side. Lost forward by Uawa. They need a halfback. Axton plays halfback. Out now to Pewhairangi. Out to Bishop. Bishop takes it into contact. City looking to recycle it. Up now to Stokes. Stokes driving forward. Into the 22 goes City. Back to Fox. Fox throws the dummy. Held up here. He won't want to lose the pill. It's there on the ground. Out now to Richardson. Richardson gets the pass away to White. Defence holding for Uawa. Luia Pukia wants the ball. Luia Pukia still on his feet. Now he goes to ground. Out now to Ngatai. Ngatai having a little run up the middle. Referee's gone down and all of that. He's back to his feet now. Out now to Axton. Back infield. JB with a big hit up in the middle of the park. Axton again. Out now to Pewhairangi. Out to Lawari. Lawari having a run himself. 5 out from the line here. City still on attack. Back to Axton. Axton has a drive. Another pick and go here from City. Stokes gets over the top of it. Stokes throws the dummy. Goes close here. City have a dive at the line. Just short is the... Right on the line here. Pick and go. No advantage. Penalty here to City. What do? Do they take another shot? Or do they tap and go? Still about 10 minutes to go. They call a scrum. They go to their weapon. The only update I had was 25-22 up the top end. What a game up there. We've had a great game here. Under 10 minutes left. Uawa looking to bring on some front row power. Uenuka Kohatu warming up on the sideline. City scrum feed though. Beretta feeds the scrum. It's there for Beretta. Plucks it out. Has a little run himself. Pewhairangi does well to hang on to that. They set it up. 5 out from the line. The forwards won it. Luia Pukia can't hang on to it. penalty though. Offside against Uawa. Surely they have a shot. They calm it down. The tee is coming. Here comes the tee. They're going to have a shot here. Shot called. Another twist coming in this game. As I said at the start, it's not about how many tries you score, it's points on the board that matter. We remind you to have some positive messaging from the sideline. There's a bit of negative messaging coming across from behind me. Our man might have to go see our Hauora KAD team for a bit of positive messaging. Fox lining this one up. He's about 15 to the near side of the post here. Opportunity to put City in the lead. He's missed the last two. He strikes it. It doesn't look like missing. The flags go up. City take the lead back, 13-12. Aorangi Stokes heading to the sideline. Replacements coming for City. How long to go, ref? Just over 5 minutes according to the AR. City with the lead. Fox calls for the ball. They set it up. They'll look to clear here. Awari back in the pocket. Little dummy from Beretta. He has a little snipe. JB with a pick and go. They can't kick it out on the full. Oh, there's a penalty here. Kickable opportunity. Opportunity here for Dearden to put his team back in the front. While we are waiting for Josh to line this up, the top end, Tuka take a lead, 30 points to 22. 30-22 to Tuka at the top end, so she's a great game up there. Dearden points to the goal. Shot at goal coming here to try and put his team back on the front with minutes to go. Don't look at our watch. The referee sole judge the time. Dearden, 35-metre kick, roughly. He's roughly about 10 or 15 metres to the left of the post. In a pretty kickable position. It's on auto. Oh, push the button, that zoom button on the side here. Successful penalty there. Zoom in on something. We've lost a bit of 15-13. There we are. You're back.
Go, City!
City with minutes to go. Uawa take the lead. Chase is coming down the middle of the park. Nice take there by Fitzgerald. Big hit on him, no? It's there for Uawa again. They go blind through Dearden. Oh, a little high tackle there, says the referee. Advantage here for Uawa. It's there. It comes out wide. Ref will say no advantage. They'll go back for the high shot. This will eat up time. 15-13. Will we see Uawa hosting Tuka, or will we see Waima hosting City? Your guess is as good as mine at the moment. That top end update, the last one said 30-22 to Tuka. Here, it's 15-13. That didn't look straight. Play on, says the referee. Out now to Birch. They come wide. Out now to Sydney up the middle. They go back to Birch. Oh, sorry, that was Rye. Rye gives it to Tani to Tomanui Nepia. He's had a big game. Nice work from Westrip to dig it out of there. They go wide again. Numbers here for Uawa down that far sideline. Little chip through. Rawiri back there to try and tidy it up. Oh, he gives away another penalty. Uawa. Minutes to go. What's the ref say? They'll have another shot here, surely. Calm things down with a shot at goal. No, they're going to go for the sideline. Attacking line out coming here. We're in referee's hands in terms of time. What a game this has been. They go high. It comes down for Tani to Tomanui Nepia. The drive from Uawa. It comes out to Dearden. Out now to Rye. Rye has a run himself. It's there for, there's a penalty right in front of the post coming for Uawa. Tackler not rolling away. They go back open. Kohatu. Right in front of the post. Referee still playing advantage here. I think they'll wind the clock down. Pick and go here from Uawa. Kohatu wants the ball. He has a drive. He gets under the post. The big boy. That'll seal it for Uawa. Uawa push their lead out to 20 points to 13 with the kick to come. Uenoku Kohatu. Let's watch the replay. I think you see him getting to his feet there. Watch the number one. Pick and go here from Uawa. You see him looking for the ball. Kohatu wants the ball. He has a drive. He gets under in front of the referee. The big boy. That's it. Game over. That'll seal it for Uawa. Duties of the game, I think, although it looks like Uawa it looks like push their lead going back to 20 position. Points to 30. Might be time to go. Kick to come. Uenoku Kohatu. Dearden right out in front. Excuse me. Makes no mistake about it. Extends the lead by 2. 22-13. There's one thing for sure, it looks like Uawa will be hosting a final next week. The top end, it says 30-27 to Tuka, and Tuka down to 14 players. I think City will run out of time here. They need to score twice. Again, nice clean take there in the middle of the park. Advantage here, not releasing the tackle player. Uawa will slow it down. That update from the top end, 30-27. What a game it's been up there. Took a lead, but they're down to 14 players. Safely into touch there from Dearden. Well, we've got time up on our watch. Referee, he's saying a minute and a half now, minute and a half to go. Not far away from last play here at the Uawa Domain. It's not straight. Play on, it'll be a City advantage here. Out to Pewhairangi, throws it wide to Ngātai. Ngātai has a step up the middle. Ngātai still going, gets it away to Rawiri. Rawiri having to go. Sydney hangs on to him though. Infield, nice hands by Axton. Backdoor to Pewhairangi, long pass out to Wilson. Wilson steps back infield. There's advantage here for City. They work it into the 22, ref still playing advantage here. Pewhairangi having a go down the sideline, ref will say no advantage. Penalty coming to City. They tap and go. Narimu, the captain. Straight into the opposition. It's there again for Beretta, out to Axton. Axton takes it into contact. 15 out in front of the post. Beretta out to Ngatai. Ngatai looks to get the ball away. Might have lost it forward. Penalty, playing the ball on the ground. Off his feet is the call. City will run out of time here, but they're looking to try and score. Not 10 is the call. Rawiri takes it quickly out to Pewhairangi. Pewhairangi has a go. Try, scored. That'll be it. I don't think there's any time left for City. They'll take their score to 18. And 2 points won't be good enough. Uawa look to take this one, 22 points to 20 should this kick be successful. I think that's full time. Look at the referee, he's not moving. Uawa will host the final. Congratulations to Uawa. What a game that was. Full time at the top end, 30-27 to Tokararangi. Uawa will host Tokararangi here next week in your 2026 Ngāti Porou East Coast Hege Blackbee men's rugby competition. Congratulations to Uawa. Commiserations to City, but what a game that was. Both teams giving it to the end of the game. Great refereeing, officiating by our team here. Looks like it was a great game up the top end. Toka coming out on that one, 30 points to 27. They'll meet Uawa here next week. All roads lead to Tolaga Bay next weekend for the men's club rugby final. And a big thank you to Hauiti Hauora, the KAD team, for sponsoring today's live stream and helping create safer, healthier futures for our East Coast whānau. Hope you enjoyed the rugby. We'll be back again next week with your grand final. Can't wait. Big mihi to our sponsors, of course, to my man on the camera, Tamarangi Papuni Isles. My name's Paul de Brooking. Big mihi to my man, Doon Harrison, back in the studio. That's our lot from the Uawa Domain. We'll see you next